And welcome back to Crypto Housewife channel, and here is my paper trading portfolio on Investopedia Simulator. I have not made a trade in, I don't know, definitely 1 to 2 months, because I was just kind of watching the market, see if we hit a bottom or if we were going to break out. And I noticed today that when Powell spoke, markets kind of did a pullback and kind of shook things up a bit. This is the weekly chart. We'll just jump over to the day chart. And the one stock that I'm going to put a bid in for today is MSTR, or MicroStrategy. So here we have the NASDAQ, and we can see we pulled in quite a bit. What are we down? 1.25% on the day. And I'm just going to jump over to MicroStrategy right here. I know it's pretty small. Sorry. And we're at 233. So I'm trying to make up my mind here. Are we going to break down below this 50-day moving average right here, this blue line? Because the other day we had a golden cross right here, which tends to be, bullish. But, with the Fed saying what he did, Powell saying what he did, it kind of spooked people. But is it over? Is it over? That's the question. So I was thinking of taking a small bite into MicroStrategy. So let's do it. I'll just go over here, type it in. MicroStrategy. All right, so buy quantity. It's trading at what, 233 US dollars. So if I would do 10, let's do 20 shares. 20 shares. Put it at market. Sounds good. I'm not afraid to go market on this because it has such a high float. Good till canceled. How about that? Preview order. So 20 shares. Preview order. Run me about $4,649. I'm going to submit my order, and it should get filled pretty soon. We're about 8 minutes away from the end of the trading day. Okay, so we'll just trade confirmation. Now let's go here, portfolio. Okay, it hasn't been filled yet, but I'm pretty sure it's going to get filled. It's at market. So, okay, guys. So in the next number of days, I'm going to watch this thing. If I think everything's going to drop lower, I'll probably pull out of this trade. I'm not holding anything else. I only have MicroStrategy. Normally, I would put in for a bunch of other crypto related stocks, but today I'm thinking, no, you know what, I'm just going to stick with good old MicroStrategy. All right, guys, I have more Investopedia Simulator videos there. I have a playlist. You could check that out right here. And please hit that like. It helps me with the old YouTube algorithm, and subscribe if you get any value out of my channel. Have yourself a great day and happy trading. Bye.